When the temperatures drop, your water heater works harder than ever to provide reliable hot water for showers, laundry, and everyday needs. Seasonal maintenance can help extend the life of your unit, improve efficiency, and prevent costly breakdowns. Here's how to get your water heater winter ready. Tip number 1. Insulate key components. Heat loss is one of the biggest reasons water heaters run inefficiently in the winter. Wrapping exposed hot water pipes with foam insulation sleeves keeps water heated longer, reducing the demand on your unit. If you have a tank-style water heater, you can also use an insulating blanket designed specifically for water heaters. This small step can cut down on energy costs and ensure that hot water is available faster, even on the coldest mornings. Tip number 2. Flush the tank. Sediment naturally builds up at the bottom of your tank over time, especially in areas with hard water. If left unchecked, it can cause rumbling noises, block heating elements, reduce efficiency, and even lead to premature failure. Flushing your tank once a year clears out this buildup. Simply attach a hose to the drain valve, direct it to a safe area, and carefully release water until it runs clear. Tip number 3. Inspect the anode rod. The anode rod is often called the sacrificial rod because it attracts the minerals that would otherwise corrode your tank. Over time, the rod itself deteriorates, and if it's not replaced, the tank lining becomes vulnerable to rust and leaks. Check the anode rod every 2 to 3 years or more frequently if you have very hard water. If it's corroded down to about a ½ inch thick or coated in calcium, it's time for a replacement. Tip number 4. Check for leaks. Leaks can start small, but quickly lead to serious water damage or costly repairs. Inspect around the base of the tank, the plumbing connections, and especially the temperature and pressure relief valve, known as the T and P valve, and runoff tube. A functioning T and P valve is essential for safety, releasing excess pressure if your water heater overheats. If you notice water dripping from fittings, valves, or the tank itself, don't wait. Address the leaking immediately with the proper replacement parts or call a professional. Tip number 5. Adjust the thermostat. Cold weather often tempts homeowners to crank up the temperature. However, keeping your water heater set around 120 degrees Fahrenheit is the sweet spot. It's hot enough to meet daily needs, safe enough to prevent accidental scalding, and efficient enough to save on energy bills. If your thermostat isn't working properly or you need a replacement, browse our water heater thermostats and controls for compatible parts. Tip number 6. Don't forget tankless units. Tankless water heaters may not store water, but they still need attention before winter. Mineral scale can clog the heat exchanger, reducing flow and efficiency. Flushing the system with a descaling solution keeps performance high and prevents long-term damage. Opt in for a convenient kit to have all necessary components in one simple set. Our ProTech Tankless Water Heater Isolation Valve Kit isolates your tankless water heater from the rest of the home's plumbing system for internal maintenance purposes. Additionally, the ProTech Tankless Water Heater Flush Kit helps keep tankless water heaters free of scale buildup, and regular use of this kit will help maintain a healthy water heater system. Tip number 7. Schedule professional maintenance. Even the most thorough DIY maintenance can't replace the expertise of a trained technician. A professional can inspect gas lines, test the pressure relief valve, check for hidden leaks, and ensure all safety features are working correctly. This added peace of mind is especially valuable heading into the colder months, when demand on your water heater is highest. For genuine OEM replacement parts and accessories that ensure proper fit and performance, visit Rheem's official replacement parts website today.